Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Ambassador Dadamas na the man wey don dey fight for long make Curtis stop to dey kill each other for Edo State. E no dey use the matter take dey play at all. Emmanuel Agbogun don provoke am to come out come talk to Emmanuel because of the post wey Emmanuel post for a Facebook wall dey accuse the Edo State governor Godwin Obaseki say Obaseki dey recruit cultists and thugs as vigilantes for Edo State. Make I leave you, make you hear from Dadamas, the message we get for Emmanuel Agbogun. Enjoy the video.
You not you talk APC, PDP, what is it called? Obaseki no wako, but you know they talk the reality. As people die rich for Edo State, even for your neighborhood, for that on an area, more than day that side. On know how many people die. Yes, my people, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night, depends on your location and where you are watching me from this time of the day or this hour. I remain your friend, your brother, Ambassador Dadamas. That music I just play, if you love that music, is very, that music, I beg, too sweet, I beg. Just go and download it or subscribe to Solomon Osagie YouTube. You will get that full music. You know, if you want to listen to the full music, just go and subscribe to Solomon Osagie. You go get the full music and you will enjoy it. It's a Christian and lovely song for our Edo brother live in Italy. So my people, my attention was drawn to one post this morning by one of our Edo son, Emmanuel Agbogun. Emmanuel Esquire Agbogun, something like that. So, ever since my attention was not, somebody just screenshot it and send it to me that I see post. I look at the post. Emmanuel Esquire Agbogun. Now I say, Emmanuel Esquire Agbogun. Now I read the post. I go through the comments. And I saw everything. I said, okay, I need to respond to this particular person, this particular brother, this particular Edo son. First of all, Emmanuel Agbogun, you are supposed to be ashamed of yourself. In case if person never tell you what you just did, you are supposed to be ashamed of yourself. You're supposed to shame. Okay, no way, oh my brother. No mami no gbo wi yan oduma. O feru gboko owe nye sagboya. You suppose to shame for yourself. You are the most you are the most uncontroversial social Edo media presenter I don't see. Me want to say that our brother media Magbasef. I don't know say you even pass that one. I wish power make you dey fight for say reach your hand. You go dey mash people. You are so you disappoint a lot of people. See what they talk. See your post on the 11 was on Monday, something like that. Say the park Curtis in as a vigilante and it go cost a lot of whether advocate be whatever due to your comment. You exist. May bro, you fail. I did tell you. Your area there, you don't know how many people die around you. You come out for live video one day talk say, you stop killing yourself. Curtis one and they kill on herself because of No, it's not like that. I get my way. Well, you don't ever come out one day say, I beg you, youth one and they kill on herself, one and not they kill on herself because of different color on her. Which we get only one Edo State to, we get just one Edo State to, more calm down. Then you are posting on your live video that you are posting it on your page that they go recruit courtesan for vigilante and it will cost a lot of. Listen. Mama, I understand, but we don't need anybody to be, Mama, let me tell you something. We don't need anybody to be like what, misleading our people. We don't need it. In my life, who is trying to mislead our people here, he should not. I don't play when it comes to those state matters. I don't play. They can do their selfish and greediness and irrelevant politics. They do it themselves because they want to make themselves relevant because of politics. You see, ever since they have been talking about politics, with concern. But when it comes to the life of those, when it comes to the life of our mothers, our brothers, our sisters, our friends, no, nobody should mislead ourselves here. Just go and look at the post on the 11. It was on Monday, something like that. Go and look at the post. He's trying to mislead the people of those states that they don't pack the Curtis put for vigilante, and that thing will cost many kiosks or whatever in the state, whatever. And that's why I'm letting him know. For your area, you don't know how many people died. You know the shame. Say people die for your area. You know people put your live video talk. Now to call the talk about PDP and APC. Okay, thank you, my brother. POGA. So why people are trying to criticize or to mislead the good people of Edo State? People have been dying since November, December, January, before those people were established on the 5th of January to 2021. And before now, you have been seeing them. You have been seeing our youth killing themselves. You even Osakwe talk about them. Even our brother about Obaze Media Magba even talk about and say, I intake all those people. The manager and I know say all those people matter and not the top because they are too political. They are too political. Whatever. You know, put your mouth. You this in my like bogun. You this in my like bogun. You know, put your mouth talk one day. Now people call the same people now come. They come and them. You not you talk APC, PDP. What is it called? Obaseki no wako. But you know they talk the reality. As people die rich were those states, even for your neighborhood, for that on an area, more than day that side. I don't know how many people die. You don't know how many people die. Did you come out on live video to say the way you are dying in Edo State is not good? You not let us talk. All of us are from Edo. We know everybody. As everybody take day. So more than not let us go deep. You know understand? I beg. If you don't know what you want to talk for this security, for this vigilante matter, my brother, I beg just keep mute. I beg you in the name of God. Just keep silent and just keep mute. Your face your PDP or your APC matter. We the good people of Edo State. We are not after politics. We are after the good people of Edo State. In my Bible, don't even think of posting those kind of bullshit again. It's a bullshit. Are you misleading us? Okay, the courts that you say they can't be vigilante. They go cost more advocate or whatever. Since then that they have been at, do you know how many activities these people have taken? They don't put their life on. These people, you know how many activities they don't do. You call yourself, I'm your neighborhood activist, I'm your blah 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 activist or blah 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 blah. What have you done as an activist ever since those youth have been dying since October, November, December, January? What have you done? Which mobilization have you mobilized? Which dues have you paid? Which protest do you hold against the insecurity in Edo State? What do you do to kick against the killing of our youth in Edo State? And they come and say, I like Edo. Come and call the post unnecessary posting to mislead. Trying to spoil the people's name. Say because you don't like the governor or you don't. Me, I don't like any politics, whatever. I don't like anyone. But that does not mean we should not face the reality. We need to face the reality like, when this is right, we need to tell the people, you are playing politics of bitterness here now. You come at the other day that they are trying to hijack our big daddy or they are trying to bring it down because of 1 or 2 years. I wish you be better person. I wish you be better person, my life. I wish you be better. That motion you raise, you supposed to say a lot of people supposed to take him up. Like, no, this is our only our Edo father will get. I'm talking about the life of our daddy, Pa Captain. That, no, people should not do this to our father. We go rise up. Everybody, all the way those go rise up. Kick against it. Video, as in protest, I say protest. Do rallying against it. But because it's coming from you, that you are so biased, you are so inconsequential, you are so personal, selfish, greedy person. You are so, you just want to be relevant by all means, by political arena. May they for say now you talk out, may they for say you are whatever. That's why nobody cares to listen to you. Nobody comes to you. You are talking about a man, our father, a philanthropy that have tried on his own. You see the poor politics matter for himself. You see the people. So tell me how they'll take you serious. I beg good people of Edo State. If you know you love Edo, our father need our prayers right now. Pa Captain, he need our prayers. Please do not listen to that boy. One place there may carry head like tortoise car. More than not listen to all those kind of people. They have nothing to offer to the people of Edo State. Those people na their own. People may they use Goftiri. They use one death car. Today now they use one better car. So those kind of people, do you think that they mean well for you? People that is not ready to sacrifice, they are ready to gain. So my people, I beg, if you know you love Edo, our father need our prayer, a Pa Captain. Please, in any area you can pray for him. In any area we can protect him. Please, we have to do this. It's only Edo son or Edo father that you and I can be proud of tomorrow. That that man is from Edo. So what will we gain seeing our daddy, our brother, our friend going down? So please, do not just listen to that tortoise car head. May they side bias. Very, very nasty and biased human being that I ever see, sir. You know if you do for your area, the youth die. You know if you come out for live video talk. Then you see Vignatina, then they call the courtis. Mona, not let us talk. Oh. Not be being so. Mona, no let us talk. I beg. May everybody you in lane. You they do your PDP and APC, you they go. See this one. See this one now. Wait, listen. Oh, listen to me. You said, you want to tell me something and say most of that, whatever. Okay, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something you don't know. How can you fish out the bad without the support of the bad? How can you bring out the good without the support of the good? Listen, anti-cultism you are having in police station, in federal, in Nigeria Police Force. Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? Okay, now one we attack. Now one go Jegule go bring out things. I been a person me drive AC to AC. Now one go get to go bring out things. You guys should think for once. Think. Mona they think for once. Don't you know history of DSS? DSS woman can give you pussy, may you fall to apprehend you. Don't you know? Are you going to call her a prostitute? DSS, if they mean you, not now saying the money though. DSS woman, if they mean so you, they don't investigate you. It go give you pussy, may you blow. For it go date you for like 4-5 years. DSS, it go date you, woman. It go date you for 3-4-5 years. For him to get all the evidence they need from you. And at the end, they will apprehend you with their better style. Okay, they are all whatever you claim them to be. Okay, since then that youth they die. Okay, you may not join the court. Why you not come out with your own? Why you not come out with your own strategy to see the way people may join the court? They know they kill themselves. Don't call me, I'm on live video. Don't call me, I'm on live video with this phone. You may not join the court. You may be God sent. You may be holy. You may be righteous man. You may be peace man. You may be father sent. Why do you not come up with your own strategies to see say youth know they kill themselves again for Edo State because of color? Now people now may see join. as soon as they claim them to be allegedly, they come out to say no to this Curtis killing, say no to armed robbers, say no to rapists, say no to kidnapping, say no to Fulani Esme. No, they criticize. You can't. Nobody should mislead the good people of Edo State because of this vigilance. I will not allow that, because I don't cry for this security of our youth that should stop killing themselves. Close to 4 years now. So I will not take advantage. I will not take I will not tolerate any fucking damn shaped man or a woman trying to bring what some good people of Edo have welcome. Nobody should mislead the people of Edo State. May you go meet anywhere, may you go tell your government, may you go do one. That's why you have the government. May you go tell your government, may you go do one. Why they get VGN? I been local securities. I don't know where the country may you dey. You understand? So my people, listen. In my life, just coffee, carry your mat. Just suffer your carry your mat. Come on for this Edo State vigilante. Just suffer your carry your mat. Come out. Go face your PDP and your APC. Just go do and don't mislead any of those. Don't even think of misleading any of those by saying blah 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 blah. What it concern us concern whether they are cultists or they are not cultists according to you or what. What it concern us. What we need is the betterment of Edo State. If now wish, now one make Edo State peace go day, love go day. You know they go they kill themselves. My brother, the wish I beg would they beg you fly come. All of us go worship you. If you be Satan, now you go make Edo peace go day, love go day. I beg. The Satan come, we go worship you. If now anybody that can make peace be in Edo State, our youth they should stop killing themselves. I beg, come, we will worship you. You know that come, we will worship you. Who care about cultists? Who care about fucking cultists? What is cultist? No, I don't need to block her, my brother. May day there, he go learn tomorrow. But if we comment what you know, like we block her. What is cultist? What is the meaning of cultist? Is it not to fight against injustice, oppression, and intimidation? And fight for those that cannot fight for themselves? Defend for those that cannot defend for themselves? And today, those group of people, they are ready out to fight for those that cannot voice for themselves. To speak for those that cannot speak for themselves. To defend their states. To defend their local government. To defend their area. To fight against injustice and oppressions. To fight against the brutality. Then you are out there with your platform, with your maybe like crocodile. Then they come and they criticize it. They are, oh, you that is not a cultist. What have you done in Edo State, human right, Bobo? Eh? You that is said you are not a cultist, that they are using cultist as a vigilance. You that is not a cultist, what have you done? Which impact have you made? Which effort have you tried to see that peace will be restored in Edo State? If really you know you call yourself an activist, what is the meaning of activist? Activist is not to speak for the people, to defend for the people, and to stand by the people and fight for the people, to bring a better state or a better governor or a better society. What is your impact in Edo State ever since this trial, since last month, November, December, January? What is your impact as an activist? What have you done? But when it comes to political whatever, you should carry that you are begging command. That you are begging motor come and put speaker out top. They force you the protest for good governance and whatever. Now that the youth are dying, why you not carry your stupid that your motor car? Why you not carry and come and say me you call the protest now? Say youth stop killing yourself. Youth man are not the fight again. You not fit do that one. Now you they commit rubbish. You go they post rubbish. They say they are this thing. What do you want, Bobo? Well, say they are cultists. You may not be caught. You may not be caught. Hey man, right, Bobo? Now you may talk to so. You may not be caught. Which impact have you made since this trial? When you know how many youths died? Which impact have you made? Okay. people more than offense for the network breakdown. They comment, you want mislead the people of Edo State. If Obaseki do, you go complain. If Obaseki not do, you go complain. If people of Edo State do, you go complain. If people of Edo State not do, you go complain. You they say they be awkward. Okay, you as a human rights activist, your neighbor rights human rights activist, you as a motivational speaker, you as a whatever, since Edo youth have been killing themselves, they go put that for video. This one say it's being spread all over the social network. You never come out kick against stamp, say no, as a human rights activist I can never accept this. No, as a human rights activist the government must do something. No, as a human rights activist all the Edo sons and daughters have to do something. You were busy talking about PDP and APC. Today now individual shout and everybody come together to come to a round table and say, okay, let's project this thing to the people of Edo State. Now, they say you, now they come out, now they say, no, they now go and do, bring some group. The comment that my attention was drawn into this, this is vigilante, the enemy cuts, it will cost a lot of, which problem you want cost? Which problem you want cost? Which problem? Who be this one? Me say about my brother Abatoba said, don't call you, right? Call me for what? Do I look like person that is ready to how am I going to put it? To worship one man? My brother, nobody pay my bills. Nobody feed me. Nobody is responsible for my life except God. Not even my parents. Call me to tell what? Tell me, say waiting. To tell me, say waiting. Must we take everything as politics? Must we use everything as politics? Why about Obase will call me? Why he go call me? Which reason? Person that is not ready to fight for the youth. Listen. Before you see me going with anybody, believe that person is ready to fight for the youth. The person is ready to fight for the people of Edo State. But genuinely. Not be say, I want to say, me, one person can give me money. Me, one person. For, if you are not those kind of person, we cannot be friends. Now, not say yourself for social media. I don't have friends. I don't have anybody I mingle with. I cannot tell you that this person is my friend. Because I see their way. Their way is totally different than mine. That's why I don't romance any of them. If you like, press 100 million whatever, my brother press sign no consign me. Snake me want to bois, it don't be bois 6 years. Me na bois. Snake me go turn to bois, it don't turn to bois 6 yesterday. So in my life, I want to tell you, bro, I want to beg you. That post, don't even think about it again. I dare you. I dare you. Even what is it called? Osakwe Nokodin. He talk about the killing. What is it called again? Kola Edokbayi. He talk about the killing. Even Abat talk about the killing about a few months ago. Once you will not hear that for your man, then they come here and now call the talk say they are all cultists. You that is not a cultist, what have you done? Which impact have you made? As you believe say you get that power as an activist. Do you know the meaning of activist? Do you know the meaning of activist? What is the meaning of activist? All of you claim yourself to be an activist, say comrade, they give on yourself name that you guys cannot manifest. You guys don't know what it look like. I'm an activist. What is the meaning of activist? Activist is it for yourself. Activists are those that is ready to sacrifice their life, that is ready to put their life on the front line to activist their job, to speak for those women, to fight free, to fight justice, to fight freedom, to fight things. For those that is ready to, for those that cannot speak for themselves. What is your activist today? Your activist today is for about PDP or is about APC. Is that an activist you are clamoring for? Fuck all your activists in Edo State, man. Some of them, fuck you guys. Many people they say they get activists for Nigeria. On a one claim on herself, on a one come and say on a be activist. Activists about right. Your state is uncomfortable. Your state is totally down, and you as an activist you are busy talking about PDP, APC. that makes you an activist. Fuck your activism, man. Man, like, we will not try him again, no. Not even think him. We'll talk. We'll yarn. No, let us yarn. Everybody, your pipe low. Mona ready to you accept them. Accept this vigilante. You accept them. As I say, accept them. Because anybody may want to checkmate them. Checkmate this vigilante. If they are not doing their properly, they are not doing their job. They are biased. They are sentimental. They are tribalism, or they are trying to be kurukere. Checkmate them. But aside that, say you want to call it my brother. One another which God. I beg. Emmanuel Gbogbo, I beg. This Edo State vigilante matter, you suffer, you come on your hand. You face your PDP or your APC. Emmanuel Gbogbo, just come on. You are too biased for my liking. You are too sentimental for my liking. You are too as in, I don't know what you pass, you and Abatoba's on be brother in different form. On be brother in different form. How will that power deal with you? Emmanuel, you for to pass Abatoba's. How will that power? You are too biased. God not go do work, you not go like him. God not go do, you not go like him. God not go talk, you not go like him. God not go talk you. Okay, you as an activist, what have you project? Listen, if I want to criticize the governor today, that hey, governor, hey, you not do this, I will criticize him with fact, and I'm going to come out and fight. Wrote a protest for that yes, we need this, we need it. But look at all the protests you have people. Central Hospital, no light. Osama Power Plant, Gelegele Seaport. Osama's Power Plant, no road, no light, no school, no whatever. No be people make their life go to, no be go school. No be go work, no be go work for the whatever place. Then your area there, if you don't know, I think count how many people die for around you there, around those on our local government, all those on our area. Call me. I'll tell you how many people may die around those areas. Do you talk about it? For the past 2-3 months or to this time, for that on our area, they were not Bobai, all those on our area there. We figure out how many dead body come out for that area. How many dead body come out? You and your area where you for the activism. May you say you man that carry that your gongoro, they post speak out top, they shout, we not agree. Obaseki must do this, we not agree. We must agree. You want to be relevant. They talk about our father the other day, a controversial and a very as a philanthropy, our father captain. You see, they put politics aside. Tell me who go take you serious. People make up fail on our time make on ourselves relevant. I beg, good people of Edo State, if you are from Edo State, you love Edo State, please, our father need our prayer. A pack captain, lead our prayer right now. Please, any area you know you can seize them. Hey, Egbon, oya, toale, Egbon, oya, toale, Egbon, oya, happy new year, Egbon, toale, boss. I greet you, sir. I greet you, that's my officer there. I greet you, officer. You understand? So if you know you can pray for our daddy, a pack captain, in any area, whether you're a traditionalist, you're a pastor, you're a prophet, you're an afar, please do. At least we get one person may represent us for all over the place. So as this Malwai Bogunso, for who consider this one, what this one they write self? For what you even talk about this our father? By now, sons and daughter of Edo State, suppose not come out. We go protest. No, nobody should take in charge of our daddy. This is the only person we have in Edo State that, whether good or bad, at least we still have Edo son, Edo father, Edo son, Edo husband that is there for us. So nobody will do protest. All of us will come and we go pray daddy. You go somewhere. Because people not take you serious because people because of yourself. Even come they would do. I don't know man not go talk which I'm not supposed to talk. Because everything about you is just controversial. Everything about you now just sentimental. But now our mama, our brothers, will protest. No, nobody should take in charge of our daddy because our daddy is not too strong now. And we need our daddy's prayer. Our women will come out, they will pray for our daddy. Whether I never benefit, whether I don't benefit from her, or whether I never, but as far as an adult father, is an adult son, is an adult husband, as far as they up there, listen, I can never pray for any adult man or a woman or boy or girl for him to come down. Never, because if that adult father, adult son come down, me I no go feed there. So what is my gain? As our daddy is passing through some medication right now, as our father, and people are trying to impeach him or they are trying to checkmate him, what do we need to do as an adult? We defend our own. We fight for our own. We pray for our own. We do everything. But if man right go come and they talk about our father, they see the big politics matter, they come inside. They put governor matter, they put for inside. So tell me who go take you serious. Then you go to say why they go bring out vigilante. Some of them courtesan, name courtesan. They will cause a lot of this thing. My guy, I beg, calm down there. Just my brother, just calm. If you engine the no person, just calm. See, our youth made out there with a vessel, we never need any checkmating we need from this vigilante. Now, when you go call me, Dada, all those people that they take bribe, Dada, all those people they use sentimental, Dada, all those people that they do what they're not supposed to do, Dada, they do this. Then you know me, I will come out and fight. I will come out and say it, man. You don't understand? No go they checkmate. They say this one a member of pink, green, yellow, blue, red, white, black. We don't need checkmating. What we need is the betterment of Edo State. What we need is the favor and the update of Edo State. Be you Satan, come even though you be devil, you be witch, you be what? Make Edo a peaceful place. Come and call the post any art, the post any art in here. In my life, go I beg. I don't want me your concern me and you. I beg. And after this one, believe me, even if you come out tomorrow, you cause the governor, cause anybody, you know, concern me. Waiting make a concern me and you now. Because 4 years now, again, I'm not fight against this Scottish killing in Edo State. The way our mothers they cry, the way our sisters, our friends, our children become fatherless, our wife become widows, our sisters, our mother become childrenless. Our mama may get children. They become children may not father woman may not get children again. And you don't think this. You say an activist. Which activist? What is the meaning of activist? What is the meaning of activist? So my people, now just in my right book, I just got to on the vigilantes. Please, our daddy need our prayers. Whether you like him, whether you don't like him, whether it's your political daddy or it's your normal granddaddy, or it's not your daddy, or it's not your friend, but please, our daddy captain need our prayer. We need to defend our own. Listen, our daddy is up there. If he's down today, may God not let it down in Jesus' name. You, me want try break and down, you know go there. We lose. Whether you like, I just asked Adams Aliyu Shomole. It was removed, or it was, I don't know as I want to put on, from the national chairman. Which people that take replace him? Answer, we lose. We Edos, we lose. So, are we going to fold our hand? Losing every day? We can't continue to lose. Edo to the world. Edo first. You understand? So please, don't pray for your brother downfall. Don't pray for your brother to go down. So any area you know you can pray for our daddy, please do. Pray for our father. Pray for your friend. Pray for your is our husband, is our daddy, is as in, please, in any area you can do, just do. I beg you guys in the name of a park captain. I've tried his own way to see the way Edo will be up there. Whether you like him because he not support politics or he support politics, but what matters is that he's an Edo father, he's an Edo son, he's an Edo husband. Let me just put it like that. You understand? So, my brother, if he come out for them, they no go put your family member. Now another family from one village, then they'll go put for there. So my brother, let's protect our own. Let's protect our own. So in my right book, when I tell you I beg, come on your mouth for this vigilante matter. I beg my right book, you suffer come on your mouth for this vigilante. If you don't let you see, carry your eye, go put on for your PDP or your APC matter. I beg. We don't need anything. I beg. We need the best. So my people, that is for Emmanuel Igbogun. As I said before, our father captain need our prayers. Need our prayers. In any area you can pray for him. A doctor, a traditionalist, a pastor, a friar. Any area you know you are capable of praying for our father and to defend our own. By now, as we don't get that information, say some people want to checkmate your office, they want to do anything. All of those supposed to come out. But because of this, the way Emmanuel Igbogun take breathe the matter, or the way they talk, people will say, hey, you not concern after all, you don't support PDP self, after all, you don't support APC, after all, because they don't see from one person, man, maybe say, everybody knows it's too biased. It's too, as in, with him, maybe like, very biased person I've ever seen. Did you want to rape one about it? We are about 100%. He was begging anyway, boy. For what you your talk so he don't show. Go the post. Mona go look the post now. Mona go look the post. January 11, it was on Monday. Mona go look the post. Mona look what that boy talk. Mona go look all the comments. Is that right? So you the happy say me our youth they die. You the happy say me our youth they die. Human rights activists. What have you done? Why me from Germany? I do protest for those things. I live far as Germany. I do protest against this Scottish killing. December 5. I know how much I spend. Far as Germany, I do. You may dare those states there they do on enemy rights, enemy autobody rights. We must fight for better in those states. You know if you carry that your gongoro, may they put pick up or top. Hey, we want central hospital to be open. No summer power plant, no road. What is it called? Gele runabout, King Square, blah 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 blah. You go fit carry moto. Thing. Kotisubo, it must be checkmated. Kotisubo is the name. Kotisubo, you go fit carry that your motor, put the shirt, go they talk about that one. But when they come to the betterment of Edo State, the youth killing themselves. Mona not let us talk, we no works up. Mona, everybody just calm. Everybody just calm. Let's pray for the better health of Edo State. Thank you, Prince. Huh? Kotisubo, Obaseki, Abato, Ablo. Hey, you're Pamaluwa. Since you they do that video, you don't ever talk about the killing in Edo State. Just like Abat. You don't talk about him. So, Emmanuel Osakweno Hodi, Mona go watch a video. He talk about him. Is it not even called by whether it was a post? He says something, but you not come at your own post to come at Nana to say they are all cultists. Why would they go and bring? You need pastor. Now pastor go bring the come and say now pastor want to fight against the now pastor want to do security. Now want to do vigilante. You may not be cultist. Which dream? Which impact do you make? You may not be the cultist. What do you do to see that they'll say our neighbor right activists, you come out with your group or no cultist group. Now they want to fight against the cultist killing in those states. Now they want to fight against the kidnapper, assassin, whatever. You know do one. The people come out now. I don't know since you don't talk about politics or whatever. You know politics you face and as an activist. On a sense on a day. When me I don't did here since 2017, I don't shout. Say no to cultist killing. Say no to cultist killing Edo State. Say no to cultist killing. Cultists, we must come together. Say no to cultist killing. Stop killing your brother. For 4 years. I bet you I don't feel cost person for PDP or APC. Make me irrelevant. But I say that is not the best thing to pray. If really I mean well for Edo State, first, the interest of Edo is supposed to be number one priority. If you mean well for Edo State, the interest of Edo is supposed to be number one priority. Not by political whatever. Listen, which kind of power do you need when your people around you they are suffering? Which kind of rich or endorsement do you need? Where people around you are all dying. I live in a glass house. I live with securities. But my neighbors, I will be on my bed sleeping. My neighbors will be shouting criminal, and I cannot do anything. And I say, I bowake one big man. Which kind of stupid richness is that? Or which kind of stupid influence do I have? Influence that I cannot use it to protect my neighbors. I cannot use it to protect my local government. I cannot use it to voice for the people that cannot voice for themselves. And I said, I am a philanthropy, or I am an activist of myself, to make name for myself, for me not to be intimidated. Fuck that activist. Fuck that richness or that connection I have, man. Fuck it. You see me today, I'm fighting not because I live in Edo State. Not because I need this security. I'm fighting because of parents that is out there. I'm fighting for those women that is out there. I'm fighting for those children that is out there. I'm fighting for those brothers that is passing pain every day. We have lost governors, senators, ministers, lawyers, doctors, pilots. Just name, because of the name of different color. People that is ready to turn Nigeria around, that is ready to even turn Edo State around. We have lost them because of different color, and we are still crying that Edo State is not good. Why Edo State will be good? Why the people that God have sent for them to liberate Edo State, they don't kill them because of one or two things. And I think we are living a better life. I think I'm comfortable because I live in Germany. No, I think I'm okay because my family live in Germany. No. Let's see if Edo State will be paid for like 2 years. Look at the investment we go call Edo State. May Edo State, Emmanuel Gbogbo, now you need the thought also. May Edo State peace your day for 2 years. Me see the kind of investment me want enter Edo State. You know how many Edo sons are daughter they build companies for Lagos, factories for Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja. Which kind of life are they living in Lagos and in Abuja that we cannot live in Edo State? Lagos is not rough than Edo State. Lagos rough past Edo State. Lagos is rough past. I stayed in Lagos close to like 13 years. Lagos rough past Edo State. But why are people running there? Look at all those sons and daughters. Nobody they open house again. Nobody they go they toss in the brand new car. Nobody they open hotel. Because everybody they run from the state, they go another state, go they develop. They carry our money, they go another state, go they develop. And after we say we know they get development, no work, whatever. Do you think only government can apply can give everybody job in Edo State? Who want do one? Which government want do that one? Imagine you watching me right now. 20 people build one place, one big factory. Look how many people you go employ. You build a hotel. Look how many people you go employ. But the hotels, the factories, they are doing it in another state because of the insecurity and because of those states is not organized. Then we are trying, individuals are trying to see the way there will be peace in Edo State. We are coming here to mislead the people of Edo State, saying the vigilante they are not do this thing. You may not be do this thing or you may do this thing. Why you not go come out with your own group? More than not let us talk. More than not let us talk. More everybody your day lane. Know how many people don't die? Know how many youths don't die? Know how many mama they cry? You know how many wives they cry now? Know how many children they cry? So my people, I bet down for Emmanuel Gbogbo. I don't give up. If you like it, take. If you like it, not take. Anytime they come and talk about this vigilante, believe me, I will definitely come out, call reply and better style. Better style. So, my people, and there is an information, and I know me, I know be sentimental person. And I know say we know the sugar code. Vigilante, this one is still for now. There is an information getting to us. I don't need to call anybody, say a pan truth or a pan not be. No! I not be like that to now make an idea for people to work with me. I don't need all those stupid recognition to recognize me for stupid things. We hear information. Say some of una boys. Now those one in my life, you as a human rights activist supposed to do. You come and say, na me get as far as Germany. Na me go they give all those. For you to the checkmate vigilante. No, you know, as a human right, you know they checkmate them. Then you they talk about color, you talk about cut. Would they hear say some of una boys? Then they talk say, "Pa, give me food now." E par fieve anima, parive anima. Listen. Yes, I support you guys. Yes. We do this thing to you guys, like supporting you in one or two areas. But we are not going to sugarcoat anything. We are not going to talk anything privately. Please. Never. We don't want to hear that complaint. Say, one person can't give you food, he carry gun, pass. The very man. What about person? He just say, okay, the very man, he give you 200,000 and he carry bomb, pass. He carry kidnapper, pass. You say you don't see money. Please, you guys should monitor. Most of those who made this a savior. All those who want to help this thing. Monitor them. All those kind of animal, we don't need the animal. If you cannot do it, let the people of Edo State know that no, we cannot do it. Not to showcase, and you will be hiding under the name Vigilante to be creating some havoc. We will not accept that. Like me, I don't accept. I speak for the good people of Edo State, and I'm ready to fight and defend the good people of Edo State. We don't need anybody to be blackmailing our people of Edo State. Listen, and another question is this. Listen, we are hearing again that they say on some people want to check phone. Listen, if that thing happen, I swear to God, me, I will ready to fight, and I will ready to defend, and I will ready to speak for those that cannot speak for themselves. Nobody should be oppressed in the name of one person. You as an evil man, you go hide under Vigilante till they embarrass people. We will know. You guys are out to protect and to prevent and to serve the good people of Edo State. That's why individual we are trying our possible best to work with the good vigilantes. Let me tell you, we have the bad ones and we are fishing them out and we are going to feed them. Anybody complain to me that some groups that they say they cash out, they'll say open your phone, no see your phone whether you join call. Listen, we will not accept that. Like me, Dadamas, I will not accept that. I know I'm not the one doing it, but I know faults that are fought. I know sacrification might not sacrifice. I know bills and I know money I'll spend on it from Germany here to Edo State. So we will not accept it. We will never accept it. Not fun, no intimidation, no bribery, no give me food. We don't need it. If you cannot do it because you know you have not been paid, but my brother, please, you have your time to leave the group and leave the group for those that is ready to work for the people of Edo State, for the people that is ready to sacrifice and put their life on the line for the people of Edo State. Good afternoon, Destiny, my brother. Good afternoon, Godson. So a complaint have reached to me, not by individual, by my group. I told you guys that Vigilante in Edo State, most of you have to be very careful with people like us. We are more than 1,000 working for me in Edo State. And my men is spread all over the Edo State globe to checkmate all the vigilantes in Edo State as far as Edo State is concerned. And the report I've gotten that some people want to be using a per giver of food, a buy us pure water, a per give us something, we don't need buy us pure water. We don't need give us food. If it is stop and search by vehicle, stop them, search them, checkmate all the motor, nothing come out inside, tell them a pack a load they go. If he even give you money, tell them say no because you can be recorded. Let me tell you, some of you, the vigilantes, when I mean one bring bad name to the vigilante, listen to me. Listen, we are more than 1,000 in Edo State. Now me they tell you. So if you do anything, your report will be definitely brought to our parliament. So listen, checkmate the motor, observe all of them. If you say the car not clear, bring all of them down. Observe all of them. Observe. You say nothing found, nothing come out. Tell them you don't. Nobody have the right to observe anybody phone. Tell us me open phone. You don't have the right to say open your phone. Mo see whether you dey play court music, whether you drink up. Now who drink up to the fan here? We don't need it. So, please, I'm passing this message to the group's head of vigilantes for them to be checkmating some of their members. Because my men is always on ground. We are more than 1,000 when I tell you, believe me, in Edo State. So, that issue of a Papa's water, but we don't need it. We don't need anybody to do a kiki for this matter. Once you are doing kiki, you will be fished out. Because those that is ready to work in Edo State, we know them. So, and we are hearing information, but we never conclude them, saying that they want a search phone. We don't allow that. Even though Edo people don't talk about me like me, I'm ready to fight for those that cannot fight for themselves. I'm ready to speak for those that cannot speak for themselves. I'm ready. That's why I was an opportune to be where I am today on this live video. And kudos to people that share my videos, that like my videos, that comment and do stuff for encouragement. Kudos to you guys. So we'll be here to defend those our brother that we have put our life on the line for. My brother, not be beans. Our life already there on the line. So we not go sugarcoat anything. So some vigilante in Edo State. Please, we don't need it. Some of them, we don't need it. So, God bless you. Pray for our daddy, Captain Ohosa, our big daddy, our father, a husband. Please pray for him. He need our prayer. Let's come out and defend our own. So, I bless you. Please, calm down. Stay away. Just give us 100 mind. You know, fight. So, people may fight. Let them checkmate these people. You not fight. You face your PDP and your APC. Just so leave our matter. This one our matter. Don't leave. Don't do your own. Don't they do your own? They go. So as I told my people, any report that is not clear about this Edo State vigilante, believe me, na me be dada. I know the fair influence. I know the fair money. I know the fair say na me good pass. I know the fair say dada. You know. We are here to serve the people of Edo State. We are here to give our voice to those that cannot voice. We are here to speak for those that cannot speak. So my brother, we no go alana. Any kurukere waka you see for their matter, call me. I dey here. Now me they bring their better job. They come out. When I see their video, now me I dey promote them. I dey promote them because they are doing excellent well. Why the insult? Insult who? Insult who? Who are the insult? Insult who? God bless you. Insult who? So my people, believe me, if you dare abroad, your brother give you any complaint about some group for vigilante, I beg call me. Believe me. And my brother, I no go hide down. I no go talk say because I dey talk good about them or yes. You know, say, or I dey promote they say, if Bati call the apple, like what they do in my life, so. Because you just belong to one party, you go see truth, you not go talk. You go see lie, you not go talk. You don't think they fight for you. Oh no, my brother. If you tell me today, say, now someone vigilante collect money for your hand, or now so you search your phone, tell me, I go come and tell me the area, and we go fish and come out, you go see the person on a live video. I'm telling you guys the truth. I'm telling you guys the truth. Amen. So you know, Fico come out, they mislead people, say the vigilante, most of them, you don't understand. So in my life, go and beg that your post. We don't need that again. We don't need anything that concern this vigilante. Not talk about them. We don't want me you even talk about them. Because the time youth they die, even for your area, they die. You know how many people more bring the list come at me die for your area. For those your environment. You talk about them. So now you talk about anything that concerns this. We don't even want me you talk about you our battle more than not even talk anything, whether they do well, whether they not do well. You guys should, because you guys did not even talk about it when the youth were dying. Not be now you come and say some of the vigilante are cultists. My bro, I mean everybody all calm down. We know everybody. We know everybody take day. So That one not consign. What they be called to, they be whatever. He not consign any of us. What he consign us? Now one make a those stay better. Now yours consign us. So now so you'll be so pray for our daddy. I love you guys so much. Have a very wonderful day and God bless you. So do not forget the vigilante shirts we are going to sew for them. Please, it's 10,000 naira per the one vigilante. Their unit. We want to give their uniform. And I see why with the shirt say anybody may not need bad, may not need good thing. He no need to criticize. Me a day here, my people. Now my name be Dada. If you have been watching my video, you know see my brother. I not send anybody. Dead body not the fear coffee. We know the dread. We not get your head one knock rich. You know understand? If they do bad, now me go cut on and say that they do bad. The little compliment one yes, more don't yes say now for some people, not before us say. So they say give me pure water. If I give buy us water now, because they say they want some of them want the sash phone. You know that now me can say I suppose keep on for that year, but I come out. My brother, we know the sugar coatings. No. We know the sugar coatings, so no. As it been as so we talk. If you like, you agree. If you like, you don't agree. So far, I don't tell you. Our men working on ground in Edo State, my team working on ground in Edo State, we are more than 1,000. So that's why I'm telling the vigilantes, some of them, to be very careful with people like us, because we are ready to fish out the bad vigilante and leave the good one to work for the people of Edo State. They can be giving you what you ask and you will be recorded and you will be they will snap you. They use research, they use glasses, they use cap, they use eye, they use ear. Any part of things is a photo shot. Will snap you. So you have to be very careful, like people like us, except you are ready to work for the people of Edo State genuinely. So my people, we are doing uniform for them, and that uniform it will cost 1,000 naira, 10,000 naira for complete vigilante uniform. Like it go be like khaki, maybe say you go get pocket for you, get combat, and all those vigilante uniform now combat. We want to sew it for them because a lot of people want to hide under this vigilante to be creating havoc. They mislead our mama. They know any money they collect their money. So we want to, because that uniform want to sew for them. It go get badge. It go get carry their name. It go contain their local government and where they represent. So to sew that complete uniform for them for one person is 10,000. So the tailor's number account have been sent to me. You can call me if you are ready to do any. Oh yeah, lock the door. You can call me if you want to do any uniform for them. It's 10,000 naira. I'm assessing a live video for the talker. They know me. I cannot take a dime from anybody. Say that you did. No. Don't, my brother. You see 1,000 my they get so to 200 naira my they use my hand they get. It dey okay for me. Oh yeah, I'm coming. Lock the door. I'm coming now. You understand? So that's it. Okay for me. That make me they talk and 10,000, and now they still tell me now the uniform me they do for them. Now person me fair they sew for them. Now they nice give me the account. Nice give me the lawyer. I say lawyer. The tailor account. Now 10,000. On a side the board they talking for live video. Iki all day. Not 1 cent not they come out. 15 naira not they come out. Now 10K. According to the tailor, and now you go buy the material, now you go sew and now you go do everything at 10,000. So you can call me if you want to do for them. My number is +49 1521 4814 351. My WhatsApp number now I give you, so it day on WhatsApp, it day on direct. You can call it, but that is not my private number. If you want to reach me, say okay, Dada, I want to do 10. I want to do 10 shirt for them. I want to do 5. I want to do 6. I want to do 1. Not be shirt. The uniform for them is 10,000 naira per one. Go and ask. You understand? 10,000 naira per one. You can call me. My WhatsApp number, my direct number is +49 1521 4814 351. +49 1521 4814 351. You can call me and say, okay, Dada, send me the tailor number. I want to donate. I want to sew 5 t-shirts, 5 uniform for them, 2 uniform, 1 uniform, 10,000. Depends on your power. So let's do it, my brother. So good results they come. Those people that they work, believe me, that they work. When I tell, as you shall say, at the praise them like this, you know, say that they really work. I turn and say, person don't complain for us. See what the year say, the part that they say bells water, some vigilante say bells water. Now say they want the search phone. I tell you, my brother, anything they come up, we go bring out the bad one from the vigilante. The good one will be there to serve the people of Edo State. So I appeal to you, if you know you can do any uniform, it's 10,000 naira per one. You can call my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +49 1521 4814 I repeat, +49 1521 4814 So I bless you. God bless you, guys. Please support this business. Yeah. Omori, yeah, definitely. Please, I beg you, support them. Let's give them this uniform so that they colorful. So I enjoy you and God bless you. My right, please, stay away, please. I beg you, just stay away. Just come. Just go face your PDP and APC. Just stay away. You do your thing. You they cause them. All those PDP and APC, you they cause them. But this vigilante matter. Now, the life of those matters. Not the life of politicians, not the life of APC or PDP. No, the life of Edos matter to the people of Edos. If there are no Edos, there will be no PDP, there will be no APC. Now the people of Edo State now represent APC and PDP. So let the interest of Edos be in our number. It should be our number one priority. Please, I beg you, that should be our number one priority. So my brother, I beg you. We don't need anybody say call it checkmate them by like okay, you want checkmate them, want look at all those people want do good work or they don't want to put your eye. Me, I don't say I don't fit talk. We are more than 1,000. Me they checkmate them. I never get report. Now the report might not get nothing. Some of them they say buy us water and some of them will say they want check phone. And I understand. Say whether you be this, you be that, you be that, blah, blah. You don't understand. Now because it tell na so. So now so you'll be. I love you guys so much. And may God bless you all. Yes, I don't live on. Definitely I don't live on. God bless you so much. And have a very wonderful day. Please donate the uniform for them. It's 10,000 naira to buy the material and to sew them. 10,000 naira. Do one. Call my WhatsApp number. If you don't get my WhatsApp number, you go look all my video. You go see them. Or call this my WhatsApp number and I'll give you so. +49 1521 4814 +49 1521 4814 Now so you'll be so in my life. Go stay away from this vigilante. Go face your matter. Just go face Pete. God bless you, Mama. God bless you, Saigi. Just go face your matter. Just go face your matter. I beg not talk for this vigilante. Not even post. We don't need your post. We don't need your post. Because when youth they die, in my life, you not post. When youth they go shoot ear, they go shoot your nose, they go even do video. You not post. Not be that make vigilante don't come out. Now you want to post vigilante. Say some of them are cultists and it go to cost more watching. Who send you? Who ask you? Who need your opinion? Your opinion is not needed. Your opinion was not. It was not even in. It was totally all acceptable by the Edos. Because when we need your opinion as an activist with your crocodile head, and that your motto make they do protest, as you know, feel use and do at the time you to the there. So now maybe say peace they there among of our youth. Many body not go to instigate problem. Make us they provoke our youth. Cause they come out they kill themselves again. Now they see some people for live video they talk say no to Curtis killing in those states. Call it Curtis, stop killing yourself. You are a member of this. Now you want they say no to Curtis killing in those states. Since then, for how many years they come? When Curtis don't they kill, you not the fight, you not talk. Now make security don't the vigilante don't they with police and the state governor. They don't come together to make peace. Now you want they say no to Curtis killing. If any of them they instigate problem for those things, now head don't take career. If now I call it say no to Curtis killing. Now make youth know they die. Now you want they say no to Curtis killing. The time they need you guys were not speaking. Now make peace don't they now one call it. On one they instigate there, they cause problem. On anybody may want to do that in my head or now take career. So my brothers and sisters from Edo State, my mothers, my fathers, I love you guys so much. I'm your son. I'm early 30. I'm too young to be afraid of man. Or I'm too young to say that no, I'm early 30. So my brothers and sisters, I love you guys. I love our mothers. I love our fathers. I'm a father. My first daughter is 13 years old. I'm a father. I know the love I show to my father, to my children. I know the love I show to my wife. Imagine a woman that he and the husband do Christmas last year, this year, no day again. Imagine a son or a daughter that if papa go discharge him, he and the mama from hospital, in the next 2 months, they say the man died. Imagine the pain of our mothers. Imagine the pain of our sisters. Imagine the pain of our children. So that is my pain. So my people, I love you. I love you. So we need the best from those. We need the best out of all. Please, I beg you guys in the name of God. Before PDP or APC, he no consign us. He like me no consign me consign APC. No consign me consign PDP. What he consign me now? The people of those states. And we na no one with So my people, I beg you, let's sew uniform for those people. Let's sew uniform for them. One uniform at 10,000. You can inbox me. This WhatsApp, this Facebook, me to the look and see if your DM is okay. That send me the tailor account number. I'll send you the tailor account number. And if this one come out, we'll see. You know, we'll show. People made up promise to support now. Once they send the money, the tailor don't get them. And I go see them. After they wear them, we'll see show them for live video. Turn and say, you may donate 3, you may donate 2. See the people. Now so I go still say, so you can call my number. My number is all over my platform. Then let's see the way we can support them. It's 10,000 naira per one complete uniform. And God bless you as you do that. Have a very wonderful day. I remain your friend, your brother, Ambassador Dada Masses, the man that love peace, the man that will advocate when it comes to Edo State youth matter. But all the same, I'm not an activist. I'm not a freedom fighter. I'm not too righteous. I'm not too holy. I'm not a God sent. I'm just who I be who I be. There is difference between a calling, or you just like it, or you are just doing it for a purpose. Mine is just a calling. Say no, now so it could be now calling. So we don't need say tomorrow if you not gonna give me a word I will be shot, or tomorrow you not gonna say that you the child. No, is what I'm destined by God. That God already destined. Say my son. Now, what you want you to do, you multiply for all those people. Now, so you'll be. So don't think that Dada is ready to stop soon or next. No. It's a calling. You understand? Hey, Baba, now I greet you. So, if you can sew uniform for there is 10,000 naira per one uniform to sew. Anyone you know, so you feel so, I beg. Inbox me, call my direct number, call my WhatsApp number. Now the number I call for you, so +49 1521 4814 351. Just assist them. More make them colorful. Now so you'll be. So God bless you guys so much. Have a very wonderful day and shalom.
Now we don't hear from Ambassador Dada Mas. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And before you go, I beg, help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.